The president of Mizo National Front, MNF'S Zoramthanga, made startling accusation against the opposition Zoram People Movement (ZPM) and its elites ties with the Bharatiya Janata Party ahead of the 2023 Mizoram polls. Zoramthanga asserted that the ZPM has purportedly received financial assistance from the BJP before the state elections last year. Furthermore, he claimed that Chief Minister Lalduhoma had made overtures Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma with the intention of aligning the ZPM with the National Democratic Alliance (NDA). The ZPM wanted the MNF to sever ties with the NDA to make way for their inclusion in the alliance, stated Zoramthanga, who is also the former Chief Minister of Mizoram. Expressing his party's stance against the NDA, Zoramthanga emphasized that despite being a part of the alliance, the MNF consistently opposed the central government on matters concerning minority interests and the welfare of Mizoram. The NDA perceives the MNF as a hindrance because of your vocal opposition to its policies. Unlike the MNF, the ZPM would not be able to voice dissent against the NDA, he remarked. Zoramthanga also disclosed an incident involving Union Home Minister Amit Shah, alleging that Shah relented on his push to withdraw Mizoram police from the interstate border during a dispute with Assam only after Zoramthanga threatened resignation as Chief Minister. In contrast, Lalduhoma, the Chief Minister and leader of the ZPM, had previously stated that his party would maintain independence from any national political alliance. He argued that regional parties like the ZPM cannot effectively represent their constituents and make autonomous decisions on crucial matters if aligned with either the BJP-led or Congress-led blocs at the national level.